Hey guys, it's Young here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get iOS 14 beta for free right now. Alright, now before we get into this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that like button since it's a win-win for both me and you. You guys also need to make sure that your iPhone is a 6S or later because it doesn't work for earlier phones. Alright, without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. Alright, what you want to do first is to go to betaprofiles.com. So I'm going to quickly go to the website. Alright. Now that you're at this website, scroll down and there is iOS 14 beta and there's iPad iOS 14 and there's watchOS 7. So we're just going to quickly go to iOS 14 beta and hit download. Alright, now after that it's going to take you to a page that says this website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? Hit allow. It will say profile downloaded. Review the profile settings app if you want to install it. Okay, so we're gonna go to settings now. In settings, we're gonna go to general. And in general, we're gonna go to profile. And here, it's iOS 14 beta software profile, and it's by Apple Incorporated, or Apple Inc., whatever you want to call it. But yeah, you know it's trusted since it's verified. It's a verified profile by AppleCare Profile Signing Certificate. So to install it, just hit install. It's gonna ask you for your password. So I'm gonna quickly enter my passcode. All right, and now it's gonna give you a bunch of messages about installing iOS 14. And if you wanna read that, you can read through, but I'm just gonna go ahead and hit install. All right, now it's gonna say restart required. Please restart your iPhone to apply changes. So we're gonna hit restart. All right, now the iPhone is restarting. And ignore my dirty MacBook. All right, now it has restarted. And let's go back to settings. And when you go to settings, you're gonna go to general, then go to software update. Once you go to software update, it will say iOS 14 developer beta, and it takes 3.91 gigabytes. So make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi when you're doing this. So you're gonna hit download and install. Once again, I'm gonna enter my passcode. And then it's gonna say update requested. And you're just gonna have to wait until the update request is successful. And I'll see you guys back once everything is ready. All right, now that the update request has been fulfilled, it says downloading, and it's gonna say about, I don't know, around 8 to 10 minutes remaining, depending on how fast it downloads and how fast your Wi-Fi is. So we're just gonna let that download, and I will come back and show you guys what happens next. All right, fast forward a bit, and now it says preparing update, and after the update's prepared, I am pretty sure that it will start downloading. All right, now you guys can install the update if you want, but I just want to wait for the regular iOS 14 to come out. And you know, I like iOS 13. So if you want to cancel the update, just go back to general, go to iPhone storage, let everything load, and you're gonna see that around 4 gigabytes have been freed up to download iOS 14 developer beta. So if you change your mind and don't want to install iOS 14 beta, click on this, then click on delete update, hit delete. Update's gonna be gone. Gonna delete the software update as well. All right, now, yeah, the update has been canceled, and you can install it again if you want, but I don't want to. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below about whether this tutorial worked for you or not. And without further ado, the video will end here. I hope you guys enjoy iOS 14 beta, and let me know how it works for you guys. I have it on one of my iPhone 6S's, but it's pretty laggy on there because 6S is kind of slow. So yeah, anyways, Peace out.